Hey, this is Morgan, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to fix rounded shoulders at home with just one exercise routine. Okay? Now this routine is quite short, but it's actually 4 parts. So it's called the WYTI exercise. All right? So it's really effective for strengthening and stabilizing the rotator cuff muscles of the shoulder. All right? And as a result, you're going to have improved shoulder posture. All right? So I hope you enjoy this exercise routine, and I'll see you soon. All right? So follow along. We're going to do W, Y, T, I. 10 times. You're going to hold it just for a few seconds. So you start on your hands and knees, and then slowly lower yourself down to the ground. And your arms should always be a few inches off the ground. So we're going to do W, Y, T, I. So first we're going to do the W's and Y's. Ten times. Five more. Whew. Now the T's. Arms straight out, thumbs up, bring them up. 10 times. Hold it. A second. Now. 10 times. Good. Break. All right. The eyes. Lift your chest a little bit at the same time. So there you have it, the WYTI exercise. All right. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope your shoulder posture is better looking. All right. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care.